Alright, I'm gonna make a little drunken candied yam recipe. I've never done this before. I've never used the yams out of the can before. So let's see what I come up with. I decided to drain it and rinse it because I don't know what that stuff is that's in there. So I rinsed it up. This is what I ended up with. You can season this how you season your yams. However, we're in hard times, so I used what was available to me, which was ground nutmeg and ground cinnamon, salt, butter, and sugar, and pancake syrup because I didn't have maple syrup. If you have the expensive stuff, go ahead and use it. So that's what I did. Then I said, you know what? I'm going to use some of my coconut Bacardi down up in here. And so that's what I did. Mix that up, add some butter. I popped it into a 375-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. I wanted it to reduce and develop that syrup consistency, and that's pretty much what it did. And this is what it looked like. It was actually delicious. You're obviously gonna taste the difference between fresh yams and canned yams, but as far as the flavor and it being passable, it was delicious. So yeah.